Hi guys, I'm your CPA turned real estate agent, Sergio Pena, here with Abby Holiday. And I'm here today at a property. And before, let me turn this around. In Irving, Texas. This is 3815 Wind Cape Bend, Irving, Texas, Coppell ISD. Let me adjust the camera. Let me show you the neighborhood. It's my car right there. We're on Parkside West. This is Coppell ISD. Let me walk in. This is a 2-car garage, 4-bedroom, 2 primary suites on the first floor. We'll take a look here, a little bit of the property. Maybe you guys can pause, take a look. 4 beds, 3.5 bath, 3,608 square feet. 919 is the current price today. It's September, and we'll go in and take a look. This is the second day it's on the market, and today's Saturday, and we're doing an open house. I just got finished doing the open house, so let's walk in. There's a main foyer entrance. Let me lock this door behind me since I'm at the end of my open house. There's a main entrance with the high ceilings, with the office space immediately to the left of the entrance, with the wood detail on the ceiling. Symmetrical wood detail. French doors, chair railing, big window. This home is south facing. The front of the house is south facing. Then we have this hallway here. To the right, let's do the right first. To the right is the, what do we call it? The first half bath on the left. The entrance to the garage, 2-car garage here. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. With some racks, storage rack that stays with the house. Half bath. I think this half bath is under the stairs. For the second floor, it's a 2-floor high. Yeah, those are the stairs. There's a little sitting area here. Put your shoes on, take them off. Hang some coats with a laundry area, washer, dryer. A space for a second fridge right here with the plug and the water source for the fridge. Cabinetry above would probably the washing machine. Controls to control 2 sections for water temperature. Window in the laundry room. Then we go back out here, and on this side is the one of the primary bedrooms. Here's the bathroom with the his and her sink, or 2 sinks. Tub in the middle. Big window, frosted window. Closet over here on the left. Bathroom or closet toilet area. No, toilet behind the closet. This walk-in, step-in closet. That's part of this first bedroom. Part of this first primary bedroom. Then in front of the tub is the shower. So there's a shower area with a bench, built-in bench. Here's me and a little bit more information on the property. If you scan that QR code, it'll take you to Abby's website for this house. Every house gets a website where you can see the information on the property and all the goodies that come with the house. Then we come back out here to the hallway. There's the garage. There's the entrance, office. Then if we keep going down the hall, this is another storage closet. Entrance, I guess I would say. Entrance closet. It's not literally next to the entrance, but it's on the main entrance hallway. This is the stairs to the second floor. We have this living room area. I'm trying to scooch back so we can get a better view, but the camera is not doing justice to the high ceilings, 2-story ceilings, gas fireplace. The wiring for the speakers is already there. There's speakers here on the top, on the left and the right. Then there's this kitchen. The kitchen has the wood cabinetry. Your fridge will be go there. A step-in pantry, walk-in step-in pantry. 5 gas burner stovetop. The island with the sink in the middle. And let's just go this way. Let me show you the pantry. The pantry has a light sensor, so when you step in, the light turns on, and this is all the space that you get. Excuse my bags. This is where I store them when I do an open house. 2 microwave, 2 ovens. Oven number 1. Looks really clean. Oven number 2. Then we have dishwasher on the right next to the sink. You can do your dishes immediately next to the sink. Put them in the dishwasher, offload them, put them in the cabinets. Wood. What is it? What do you call that? Fire. Stove range. Stop. Let me turn the light. Really bright light to light yourself when you're cooking, give you light. This is the eating area, dining area. Windows on the left, windows in the front. This takes you outside. So let's go. Well, let me give you a view. There's the living room, fireplace. This is the kitchen looking from this side. Then we'll go outside. There's a patio out here. A little cover area where you can put some seating under the shade. This is the patio with fencing along the perimeter. Let me step out here and see if we can take a look at the back of the house from this side. You're gonna have to excuse the fire detector, smoke detector. It's on a really high ceiling, and if I had a ladder, I would fix it. Otherwise, we're gonna have to listen to it for the duration of the tour, so excuse the noise. Then that would be the second floor up there. There's a game room, meter room, and 2 bedrooms. We'll go there in a second. But I just wanted to show the view from here. Give me just a second. I'm trying to adjust. There it is. Then over here on the left, we have what I like to think is the first primary bedroom. This is where the smoke detector has been driving me crazy, the whole open house. So let's pretend like it's not there. First primary bedroom. Because if you look at this bathroom, I think this bathroom is bigger and nicer. Has 2 sinks. Hi. 2 sinks. Tub in the corner. Second sink area. Place to put a vanity, stool, chair. Corner shower with the corner bench. I don't know if I'm doing justice. With the camera angles, it's hard to get it all in when you're taking a video and also looking through the camera. Toilet is in its own closet with the smart toilet seat. There's a linen closet right here. And then here's your walk-in closet for this primary bedroom. Again, my opinion is that this is the first primary bedroom, and the first primary bedroom we saw was a secondary primary bedroom because the closet here is bigger and so is the bathroom. While both bathrooms are nice, I think this one's just a little bigger. This one has a corner shower, corner tub. The other one didn't have corner shower or tub. Let me close this door to see if maybe I can help that noise. It has AC sensor here at the bottom, and it has a second one at the top, thermostat. We'll go up the stairs. The stairs go up and around the house, or I guess this section of the house. Immediately at the end of the stairs up here is the game room, flex room, family room. There's the living room. There's the next bedroom, third bedroom, fourth bedroom, bathroom that connects to the next bedroom, and media room. We'll go there in just a second. I just wanted to explain the layout. Here's like a little balcony looking down into the entrance with the tall ceilings. Here back on this game room on the left is your next half bathroom. So here's the half bathroom right there. Then I guess a linen closet, I would say, since it's right next to the bathroom. Storage closet. There's an additional storage area here in this game room. It's unfinished. This is not the attic, or I mean, I guess technically it has access to the attic, but you'll see the access to the attic here in just a second. Let me turn that off. Since I'm done with my open house. Then if we go this way, here you'll see the access to the attic. Unfinished attic. Movie room with the screen and the built-in speakers. There's built-in speakers on the ceiling and the walls. Your projector goes there. Speaker. Here behind this door is where the consoles and the speaker connections will go. The media section of the movie room. Media storage. Here's the third bedroom with a window. Let me turn around. It's hard to really get the aspect and how big a space is on a camera. There's your closet for this bedroom, like a step-in closet I would say. There's a sink with a door to close access, but the sink stays on this side of the bedroom. Now both of these bedrooms share the toilet and the tub shower area. There's a tub. There's nothing behind this door because there is the closet for this bedroom right here. And then there's the door that closes access to the bedroom with the sink. Here's the next bedroom with the window. I feel like all you're getting is just walls. Again, I'm trying to do my best so you guys can gauge the space. Coming out of this bedroom, there's another closet, storage closet with the area, balcony, perch to look down into the living room, kitchen, game room, storage, half bathroom, media room, bedroom, bathroom, bedroom. And it just does one big circle down into the stairs. It's kind of how the flow of the house works. If you go down in the comment section, there'll be a link to the home website from Evie Holiday, and there is a floor plan in one of the pictures. You should take a look at the website. And yeah, that's what I got for you guys. So that's 3815 Wind Cave, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,608 square feet, 919. And this is just some of the highlights again. My name is Sergio Pena. I'm a CPA turned real estate agent, and I'll be very happy if you guys are interested or have any questions. You guys can call me or email me. My information is down in the comment section. So until the next one, see you guys later. Bye.